Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and in this series of videos I'm going to be showing you what I've bought to date for my survival bag. I don't know if it's a case of age, watching too much Walking Dead or watching the news. Either way, I decided it was a good idea to put together a survival bag. Worst case scenario, I'm ready. On the flip side, we're just going out and enjoy camping with the boys and the family. I'd like to add that I've not been paid for anything you're going to see today. I've not had any freebies. I'm just a normal guy that's enjoyed the process of going out buying the gear. Okay, for my long-term survival plans, I think it was imperative to have a bow and arrow. So I needed to get some arrowheads. Looking at individual arrowheads, they were coming in quite expensive at sort of $14 a piece. But looking in America, I came across this, the Survival Tactical Arrowhead Set. It's got 5 arrowheads of different kinds, and it came in at just under $16. And with postage and packaging to France, at just £18.35. So I thought it was great value for money. Let's have a look what we've got. We've got a serrated arrowhead, a more sort of broad head. There's a frog jig, and 2 other arrowheads alongside. So I think value for money, extremely good. Let's have a look at them in closer detail. Okay, where should we start? Well, here's the more traditional broadhead. There it is for size. It's got 2 lanyard holes to affix to an arrow shaft or spear. It says it can be used on the internet as a secondary cutting tool, but to be honest, it's not razor sharp. It's an arrowhead or spearhead, and I would use it for that. We've then got a slightly longer version. There's a serrated arrowhead, again sharp but not razor sharp. Another one, and finally a small frog or fish jig. Again, very sturdy. I'm really impressed with the build. Not razor sharp, nice and pointy. It will do the job. And I think for just over £18 with the postage, that's a great bargain, and definitely have it in my bag, and I would recommend it. Glad I got it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Not only have we got this series of videos, but Naomi's also doing her Filipino kitchen, where there's some wonderful Filipino recipes, all presented in English for you to enjoy.